Southeast Texas looking at mostly sunny skies at Packard-LaPrade in downtown Beaumont after a scattering of showers and thunderstorms once again in the triangle. We're currently at 91 on the Roofing 911 Skycam network. Very little over the area right now in wake of the sea breeze we saw this morning. An isolated shower over towards southern Jasper County south of Buna and to the west of Fred, it looks like. Otherwise, we're looking at temperatures 85 in Port Arthur. Everybody else is in the low to mid 90s locally, in the mid 90s. Very common across the state with temperatures above the century mark into southwest Texas. Watching scattered showers and thunder showers and storms over towards the Houston metro. A weak front off towards our east. More showers and storms along a front up into north Texas. But a lot of the state is looking pretty quiet, as you can see up towards Dallas along 20, towards Abilene. Far west Texas seeing a few scattered showers out there, but Corpus looking good, Laredo, San Antonio at this time. High pressure building on into the area on Saturday, and then it weakens as we head towards Sunday. Monday, this comes on in, late Monday into Tuesday. This is what's going to bring us a pretty good coverage of showers and storms as it interacts with quite a bit of moisture. That will bring a cold front into our area, a weak cold front. It's looking pretty nice as we head towards late next week. In the tropics, we are watching Invest 91L. It has a 30% shot. It's over towards Belle East right now as it moves in the western Gulf of Mexico. Considerable uncertainty exists on how this will unfold, but a lot of modeling continues to trek it on off to the western Gulf of Mexico. Just too early right now, but my gut says that if it does develop, it's got a lot of shear to overcome. It would do something like a recurve because we're going to have northerly winds coming on down in the upper levels by Monday into Tuesday ahead of that disturbance. So I think we're okay. As you can see, quite a bit of shear in the western and southwestern Gulf of Mexico. As this heads into the Bay of Campeche, it could develop. There's a little area right there, but lots of shear to the southwest of it. But notice how this heads towards the north and east as we get those northerly winds over our area because of a cold front. That's the way it looks right now. Again, lots of uncertainty. We'll have to watch this. Otherwise, in the far eastern Atlantic, we're watching a very intense hurricane. Now 100-mile-per-hour Larry Boy moving west-northwest at 16. Yes, it's a Cat 2, and we're having a little bit of fun with this because it looks like a fish storm. However, Bermuda is on the western side of the ensemble envelope, so there's a chance, but right now it looks like a fish storm as high pressure steers this off towards the west and then northwest. Becomes a very strong Category 4 storm before weakening starts to occur. Otherwise, no problems for that. This is overdone. We'll go with the 10% coverage of evening showers up in the lakes area. Otherwise, looks like a quiet night. And then for tomorrow, 20, maybe 30% coverage in the triangle with little up in the lakes area. Highs mid-90s expected tomorrow. Slightly choppy seas expected on the Gulf tomorrow, around 1 to 2 feet. In your coastal marine forecast, we'll see northwest and south winds at 5 knots. Our forecast tonight at 10% coverage of evening showers. Otherwise, mostly clear, lows in the low to mid 70s. And then for tomorrow, 30% coverage for the triangle. Very little, if anything, up in the lakes with highs mid 90s. So we're giving it a yellow bar day because that 30% coverage in the triangle, but the lakes look dry. Sunday, a 20% shot. Then Labor Day and Tuesday look like we'll see a high-end scattering of showers and storms. Tuesday, that chance is at 50%. Wednesday, we'll back it down to a 40% coverage. Then here comes the weak cold front. Did anybody's ears perk up? Yeah, how about sun, lower humidity, and cooler nighttime lows?